If you have ever felt like Blender's default menus require a few too many clicks to get simple things done, you are not alone. There is a reason why Machine Tools is one of the first things most professionals install on a fresh copy of Blender. Developed by Machine3, this isn't just an add-on, it is a total overhaul of your workflow. It is designed to take the friction out of the software, replacing tedious submenus with high-speed pie menus and smart tools that anticipate what you actually want to do. The core of the experience lies in the pie menus. Unlike some add-ons that just rearrange existing Blender tools, these are custom-coded systems. You get specialized pies for shading, views, aligning, and snapping. But the real magic happens with the smart tools. Take Smart Vert, for example. Depending on your selection and how you use it, it can merge vertices to the last selected, connect them, or create a path. Similarly, Smart Edge can spin edges, bridge them, or dissolve them based on context. It essentially turns multiple hotkeys into a single, intuitive shortcut that knows what you're trying to achieve. Now, there are two main versions, Prime and Deus Ex. The Prime version already contains about 85% of the features and is an absolute steal at $8. But if you're doing heavy-duty modeling or assembly work, the Deus Ex version is where the real power user features live. It includes Punch It, which is a manifold extrusion tool that works far better than Blender's native version for complex surfaces. You also get Edge-Constrained Transform, which lets you slide edges along their own rails while scaling or rotating, a feature that feels like it should have been in Blender years ago. One of the most underrated parts of Machine Tools is the grouping system in the Deus Ex version. It introduces group gizmos and group poses, making it possible to manage complex mechanical assemblies or kit bash sets with a level of organization usually reserved for high-end CAD software. You can even create assembly variants, allowing you to swap out different parts of a model instantly to see what looks best. Beyond the modeling tools, it includes dozens of quality-of-life utilities. There's a material picker that lets you grab shaders directly in the viewport, a focus tool that isolates objects better than the native local view, and a render toggle that cleans up your UI for a perfect screenshot in one click. It is a massive collection, but it's modular. You can go into the preferences and disable anything you don't use to keep your interface clean. Machine is incredibly transparent about the development, and the add-on is currently optimized for everything from Blender 4.2 LTS all the way up to the 5.0 builds. While it's a paid tool, the developer offers a very fair update model, where you only pay a couple of dollars a year to extend your access to new versions. Honestly, after a week of using these pie menus, going back to a vanilla setup feels like modeling with one hand tied behind your back. It is a productivity multiplier that genuinely makes using Blender more fun. Check it out if you're ready to stop fighting the UI and start creating fast.